Let me ask you something before we begin. How many people do you know who want to write a book but never do? I'm holding my two books right now. These books does not come from degree in literature. They did not come from years of free time. They come from one decision to stop thinking about writing a book and start writing one. I did it, and in this series I am going to show you how to write your book with clarity, honesty, and with great compassion and faster than you think. You did it. You have an idea, you planned your book, you write the draft, you edit it. Most people never make it this so far, and yet this is the moment where many writers suddenly feel stuck again. They ask themselves, how do I publish this? Did I do this the right way? What if no one read yet? Once your book is written, your life has another beginning, author's beginning. Your book keep your presence alive forever. You cannot retire from it. Writing does not end with publication. You need to promote, run campaigns, and engage readers. The author-led campaign is unmade. If that is where you are right now, take a deep breath. In this video, I am going to walk you through your publishing options, what to realistically expect, and what comes after your book is finished, so you can move forward with confidence instead of fear. Welcome to the final video in this 5-part series on how to write a book. No matter what you decide to do next, we have already accomplished something powerful. You finished a book. Now let's talk about how to share it with the world and what kind of author you want to be moving forward. Let's start with the big question. Traditional publishing versus self-publishing, neither is better. They are just different paths. Traditional publishing means you fear against our publishers. You may wait months or years for a process and response. The publisher handles editing, cover, and distribution. This path works well. You are patented. You want industry validation. You are comfortable giving up some control. And self-publishing, like I have done for my two books, The Innocent Rider, The 5 Years Out of Home, you control everything. You move at your own pace. You keep more creative freedom and royalties. This path works well if you want speed. This path works well if you want speed. You enjoy learning new. You are okay being invented and marketed. The most important thing is choosing the path that fits your goal, not someone else's option. Let's break down the basics without getting overwhelmed. Every published book needs a few core things: a clean edited manuscript, a professional looking cover, proper formatting for print or ebook, and the correct publishing information like an ISBN. You don't need to do anything at once. Take it step by step. Your job isn't to become a publishing expert overnight. Your job is to make your book readable, presentable, and accessible. Everything else can be learned as you go on. Let's talk about expectation, because this matters. Your first book is not your product, it's a foundation. Some books sell thousands of copies, some few dozens. Both outcomes are normal. Success as an author is not just about number, it's about momentum, that hardcore copies in your hand. Each book teaches you something. Each book builds confidence. Each book makes the next one easier. Don't let unrealistic expectations steal the joy of finishing. Here is some good news. You don't need to be everywhere. You don't need to go viral. You don't need to turn into a full-time marketer. Start simple. Talk about your book naturally. Share why you wrote it and who it's 4. Focus on connections, not perfection. People don't buy books, they buy stories, meaning, and trust. Here is a question most people don't ask but should. What kind of writer do you want to be? A one book author or someone who keep going? Finished one book changes how you see yourself. You are no longer someone who want to write. You are a writer. You are a writer, and that identity shifts matter. Your next book will be easier. Your voice will be clear. Your confidence will glow, and that is just the beginning. Here is a final action plan. Decide today what your next move is. Not just detail, not just next step. Research publishing option. Set a release goal. Or starting outlining your next book. And remember this, you don't need permission to be an author. You don't need perfect timing. You just need to keep going. If this series helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's thinking about writing a book. Thank you for being here and congratulations, you finished your book. Thank you.